Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now today the market cap of Shibadoge is now trading at $35,231,913 at the time of recording this. Now Shibadoge have really gained a lot, almost $29 million market cap since last year when Shibadoge was trading above 5 million. Now with a market cap of 1 billion, how much can we really make with Shibadoge? Shibadoge have been increasing in price, and in terms of ranking, Shibadoge have also gained a lot. Now, when a particular coin have a market cap of about 1 billion and above, you see that coin, a lot of people believe that coins with over $1 billion market cap can stay for over 10 years, okay? And coins with over $5 billion market cap, some will say they are good to invest on if they have good project. And coins with over $20 billion market cap are here to stay for the next 20 years to come or more. Now, Shibadoge market cap hitting 1 billion will definitely push the price of Shibadoge to hit about 10,000 or 100,000% increase in price. 1 billion market cap for Shibadoge means for Shibadoge to gain such, Shibadoge need to do a lot of work. But imagine having $1 billion market cap for Shibadoge. You know, there are some coins with $1 billion market cap. We might talk about Teruna Classic. There are so many coins, and most coins with over $1 billion market cap are ranked mostly from the top, mostly the top 50 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now imagine Shibadoge being seen among the top 50 or even top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. A lot of people will invest more. Shibadoge will rise more. Now I'm happy because I'm trying to analyze this, because Shibadoge, within the space of 2 weeks, between 14 days and 17 days, this coin Shibadoge gained about $30 million market cap. Not that it's a very popular Bitcoin like this, but Shibadoge then was still having just about $5 or $6 million market cap, ranked way far below. But Shibadoge started gaining a lot of support, a lot of rise, especially on the market cap. Now I believe this rise will continue. People continue to pump in money into Shibadoge, and we are hoping to see the best comes out of Shibadoge before the end of this year. A $1 billion market cap can push Shibadoge to hit 10,000 or 100,000% increase in price, and that is a lot of profit. That is a lot of money for Shibadoge holders. Remember, this year we are hoping for this year to become a bullish year for crypto industry. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.